As we stand on the brink of 2024, you have a choice. Is the coming year one that is just a replay of all the previous years, or will it be a groundbreaking chapter in your career journey? Making 2024 your most groundbreaking year, that just doesn't happen by chance or luck. What we do is we look at 3 different strategies that you can implement. I personally like the second one most, but you judge yourself. Let's go. Zeroing in on what truly counts. How many times have you seen colleagues, or perhaps even yourself, stuck in a loop of routine tasks? You keep doing what's in the job description, or you keep doing what was asked of you last year. And the reason behind it is very simple. It is easy, it is comfortable, it is what we know. Today, we are going to pivot from comfortable to crucial. And that is vital because if we just stay in our comfort zone, it prevents us from opportunities to grow and challenge ourselves. So, how do we break free from this cycle? Begin with introspection. Question the why behind each task. Focus on the challenges that your organization, your company faces. And think about how you could be the solution. What happens as a result is that you prioritize the tasks with the most strategic, significant impact. And that also morphs yourself from just a task doer to a strategic problem solver. It's not only about identifying those tasks, it's also about embracing them. Challenge yourself for new projects, push your limits, engage in initiatives that require you to think differently. By doing so, you're not just changing your task, you're changing your mindset, you're changing the way you approach work. Imagine now being the driving force in your organization. Someone who is recognized for solving strategic problems. Your career now goes from stagnant to stellar. But there is more to it. This transformation leads to greater job satisfaction, increased respect from your peers, and career advancement. You're no longer just a cog in the machine, you're the one who is redefining its purpose. Embracing redundancy as a growth catalyst, well, that sounds counterintuitive, right? But the reality is that making yourself redundant is a secret growth accelerator. You're becoming a more confident, empowering leader because by making yourself redundant, you are creating space. You're creating space for yourself, for personal development, for personal growth. You're also creating space by developing skills in others. And that helps the whole team and the whole organization to be strengthened. Once you adopt this strategy, you're seen as a visionary leader and mentor. You are the change embracer, the standout, the one paving the way to career greatness. Your role becomes more strategic. Your input becomes more sought after. Suddenly, you're not just part of the team. You're the one shaping its destiny. And the third part, mastering the art of self-promotion. In the professional world, letting your achievements speak for themselves is vital. It's not boasting, it's showcasing your capabilities and expanding your influence. Why does it matter? Because the visibility of your work is just as crucial as its quality. We live in a world where recognition leads to opportunities. And showcasing your work in the right way leads to career advancement. Deliver consistent, high-quality work and build relationships across the organization. These actions not only elevate your profile, they're also contributing to a thriving work culture. And it's not only about doing great work, it's about communicating the value that you create in the context of how you contributed to the team and the organization. Also, be an active participant in company meetings, share your insights, and don't shy away from taking credit where it's due. Adopting this approach, you're not just an excellent worker, you are a respected and valued contributor. You are becoming involved in strategic projects, your opinions are valued, and your presence becomes influential. When you focus on what truly matters, embrace growth opportunities, and promote yourself effectively, you unlock your full career potential. I challenge you to implement those strategies because this is your year, this is your moment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it with others that they can benefit too. Join me in more empowering content like here or here. I will see you next time.